Write logic to find the largest of three numbers using only if statements. This is our next challenge. Try to solve it by yourself, like this. Don't start direct coding, first think about the problem. So we need to find the number that is greater than the other two. So ask yourself, when is a number the largest? Only when it is greater than both of the others. Let's break the problem. You have three numbers, A, B, and C. Now think, when is A the largest? Only if A greater than B and A greater than C. Now apply same thinking, when is B the largest? Only if B is greater than A and B is greater than C. Also when is C the largest? Only if C greater than A and C greater than B. So the final structure in your mind should be like this. You're basically checking, is A bigger than both? Else, is B bigger than both? Else, C must be the largest. Now let's convert your thinking into code. If A greater than B and A greater than C, print, A is largest. If B greater than A and B greater than C, print, B is largest. If C greater than A and C greater than B, print, C is largest. Now what are A, B and C? Let's take these from user. Enter first number, which is A, enter second number, which is B, and enter third number, which is C. Let's run the code. I put the values, A equals 1, B equals 2, and C equals 3. Now 3 is the largest number, so the output will be, C is largest. But here is a problem. If A equals 5, B equals 5, C equals 3, who is largest? How will your logic handle this? Drop your thoughts in comments.